Tenali Rama में इतना different look था, अभी इतना different look है, so I don't have to struggle that. Acting is something which is my oxygen. I mean, I am a late bloomer, but I am a lambi race ka ghoda. TV media is first of all for women mostly. Male actors don't have anything much to do.
Yeah.
So and since then I've been saying that मेरे को actor बनना है और मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है, and I cannot do anything else. जो देर से मिलता है उसकी कदर ज्यादा होती है हम लोगों को. So I know कि what I have got and I value it a lot. So I am not a social media person. I don't even have those many followers. Going through a very bad depression phase that time. I was on medication and no money was coming, no personal life, no social life, nothing was there, and I was going down badly.
Those who are missing their favorite Tenali Rama on screen, this interview is for them because he is with us to talk about his journey and experiences, but not as Tenali, but Krishna Bharadwaj. Krishna, welcome to SpotboyE.com.
Thank you so much, Nikki. Thank you for having me. Krishna is here with hair on his head.
Yes, so that's why I was supposed to ask you, are people still referring you as Tenali Rama, or it was just me?
No. People have stopped recognizing me now anymore. People don't recognize me, and that's a good thing for me because वो गंजेपन में लोगों को आसानी होती है पहचानने में, but अभी लोग मुझे पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं, and people are liking this new look of mine, and I
Okay.
guess that's I'm breaking the image of Tenali Rama, which was really very prominent.
Right.
So happy to have my hair back.
Okay, other than having your hair back, what else changes Krishna is experiencing these days in yourself?
I'm getting a lot of sleep, so I work 3.5 years continuously for Tenali Rama, day in, day out, every single day, traveling so far for the shooting and all. So I have been traveling a lot after the shoot got over. I went to my hometown. I spent time with my family. I'm gymming a lot. I'm making some physique now. Need to break the image of Tenali Rama. टोन निकला हुआ था तेनाली रामा का, वो मुझे अब एब्स वाले बनाना है. So I'm working on myself and I'm traveling a lot. I'm sleeping, I'm eating, I'm working out and meditating a lot. So just these things are happening. A fresh start is going to happen actually.
Now, when you have played Tenali Rama for 3.5 years and you are anyway on the way of breaking that image, so how difficult it is turning out for you, because obviously playing one character for this long and getting resistance in somebody's mind and then changing the perception is not easy.
Yes, that's when an artist's skill come in the picture. Because as Tenali Rama, actually I lived the character Tenali Rama for 3.5 years. I had forgotten myself and I was actually living the character. And now suddenly I have to audition for new things with new look and all. So it's very difficult to come out of the character which you had been playing from last 3.5 years and get into something new. But that's when the training of a theater actor comes. So I'm from a theater background, and I have my techniques to get into a character and to come out of it and all, and I'm working on that. So an actor's job is a 24/7. We are working on ourselves all the time, mentally, physically, or something, some or the other. तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है actually. मुझे तेनाली रामा से निकलने में भी बहुत time लगा, but now I'm out of it. Best thing is that the moment the look changes from your previous character, half of the battle is won there on.
Okay.
So I'm very fortunate that Tenali Rama में इतना different look था, अभी इतना different look है, so I don't have to struggle that much. But yes, it is a task to get into a new character and forget whatever you have played before.
You have been rejecting offers which are demanding you to go bald again. So should I say that people have already typecast you?
No. So I was getting call for auditions in the same look. I was growing my hair and they said, okay, ये इतना बाल में भी चलेगा. And then they were okay to have those small hair on my head. So I said, no. I want to grow my hair like full length जैसा मेरा पहले था. उसके बाद ही मैं कुछ लूँगा. They were ready to accept me as an actor in whatever look I had that time. But I was not okay with playing in that look because I wanted to come with a fresh start and a fresh look. And I guess this look is better than the bald look. What do you say?
Of course.
Thank you.
Okay, so what sort of roles are you expecting now, Krishna? What kind of characters you are tempting for?
I am tempting for something very different, very, very different from Tenali Rama, that cute boy next door guy look. I'm looking for something more intense, more passionate, a little maybe negative role, psychotic role, where I have to show a different side of my acting skill. What I showed in Tenali Rama was all slice of life. I
Right.
lived a lot of varieties of emotions in that character. But now I'm looking for like one one expression or one emotion that an actor holds in a character in daily soap or in a web series or anything. And mostly I'm looking for web series and maybe getting into films and all.
Okay.
Let's see.
You have been acting since 2007, and you have
Yes.
done so many shows. But do you agree that the recognition came late to you?
Yes. I agree. I totally agree. Like, to first of all, I always say that I'm a misfit in the industry. I am a big misfit in the industry when
Why?
it comes to socializing, when it comes to making contact, when it comes to meeting people. I'm a very laid back person. I don't have friends. I don't socialize. I don't party and all. And these things actually make an impact. When you're an actor, you have to socialize. You need to come in their eyes so that people know that,
Okay.
okay, this actor exists. So I never did all those things. Whatever roles, whatever shows I got it through my auditions and all. But yes, success came to me in 2017, 10 years after I started acting in Indian television. But it was worth it, I guess. 2017 was a benchmark year in my life. Both the projects that I did, my Gujarati film Chalman Jeetwa Jahiye and Tenali Rama, they both
Hmm.
were an instant hit in 2017, and I got my due then. But
Okay.
no complaint, I guess. जो देर से मिलता है उसकी कदर ज्यादा होती है हम लोगों को. So I know ki what I have got and I value it a lot.
What is your take on these days people are becoming easily popular on social media? Uh, there are people who are less in talent but more in popularity.
Right.
So what
So
is
I
your take on
think
it?
I think that it's gonna change. I mean, it's just a trend. It's like fashion. आज आप एक कपड़े पहनते हो, fashion में कुछ दिनों तक चलता है, फिर लोग दूसरे fashion में आ जाते हैं. I guess it's the same with social media. The so-called influencers have suddenly, this term influencers has come up. I mean, who do nothing but they make videos of dancing, singing, and all. But they're not artists. I mean, I miss seeing artists. I guess artists are not into social medias that much. They don't care about what they are posting or what they are doing something. They're only busy in their work. So
Okay.
they're not there to please everybody. They're not there to be liked by everybody. So this is actually a very I don't know. The society is in danger, I guess, because everybody is into social media and everybody wants to be liked by everyone, and they have want to have so many followers. So this
Yeah.
urge of being liked by everyone, I guess it's a danger thing psychologically, because it affects mentally, not in a good thing. So I am not a social media person. I don't even have that those many followers,
Okay.
but I don't even post photographs that much because I don't think that's a very, that's not my kind of space. I'm happy working. I'm happy facing camera and doing my acting job and all, and showing my skill and getting love for what I do on camera, and not on this small phone gadget. So that's not for me.
Krishna, I would also like to know, ki, just like social media, how much do you agree that it's important to be in news or be in media?
Well, as I said, it is quite important, which I realized much later in life. In life, uh, it is quite important. People, they say out of sight, out of mind. So right now, I'm not doing anything. People, if casting people will remember, okay, Tenali Rama aata tha, usko yaad karo, theek hai. But otherwise, people tend to forget you if you're not seen on screen, because there's so much of competition. Every day, new faces coming and all.
Right.
So that way, social media is important, just to be in the loop, so that you are in contact with the people, with the right people, with the industry people. For that, social media is quite important for me. Otherwise, it's not that important for me.
Okay. In your journey, if I ask you, which has been the longest gap which you have experienced, one between two shows, and how the journey has been? Because as we say that, it is very, the actor's job is very uncertain.
Well, I faced that. I faced that. Before Tenali Rama, I was out of work for 4 years. So
Oh
between
God.
2013 and 17, I had no work at all. And I've told this in all my interviews that I was going through a very bad depression phase that time. I was on medication and no money was coming, no personal life, no social life, nothing was there. And I was going down badly. So that's when that suddenly I realized that no, I need to make use of this time and I need to be occupied. That's when I started doing theater. That's when I joined theater and I did 4 plays then. And I guess as an actor, I grew so much in those 4 years that which helped me in Tenali Rama. In Tenali Rama, people say, "Oh, you did so good. You are a good actor and all." But in Tenali Rama, I surprised myself as an actor. I didn't know I can play such character nicely. But those
Hmm.
4 years where I was doing theater and I was co-writing my Gujarati film also, gave me so
Okay.
much of strength and caliber as an actor, which I portrayed in Tenali Rama. So I think these years were very important for me. I guess वो 4 साल नहीं आते तो शायद तेनाली रामा में इतने अच्छा एक्टिंग कर नहीं पाता जितना मैं कर पाया. So those 4 years are actually very important. And as I said कि जो देर से मिलता है उसकी कदर हम ज्यादा करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So I still remember those 4 years and I'll never forget that.
As you
It
have
keeps
spent
you
a, sorry, sorry.
it keeps you grounded. If you remember your struggling days, it always keeps you grounded and success doesn't get into your head.
Exactly. If I ask you about your journey, how do you see your journey overall till now?
I guess I am a late bloomer, but I am a lambi race ka ghoda. So
Okay.
I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna stay as an artist. I'm gonna stay as an actor. I'm a hardcore actor, and I am good for nothing else but acting. So I these are the two terms I would like to give myself: a late bloomer and a lambi race ka ghoda in the industry.
Okay. As an actor, if I ask you what changes would you like to do in this industry, what would be that?
Well, first of all, we need to get actors, real actors and real artists. The problem is it's a visual media. People like to see good faces. People like to see pretty faces, handsome faces. But what we are forgetting that it's also a responsibility. It's a social responsibility for the makers to first of all make good stuff which actually affect the society in a positive way and stop making regressive shows or regressive content wherever on TV, OTT, or films. This is the first thing I guess I would like to make a change in the industry that make progressive content, make progressive stuff. Second, artists, we really need to get more actors and not the good handsome faces who have the confidence to face the camera and they just come and do 1 3 shows, become hit and go. And then nobody asks them again, where are they? They are very easily forgettable. So we
Okay.
need to get good artists, good actors, especially in TV. TV media is first of all for women mostly. Male actors don't have anything much to do. I was fortunate I got Tenali Rama and
Hmm.
I could show my caliber as an artist. But TV should be for TV should be for everybody, for all age and gender and for everything. But in India, it's a little difficult scenario. So I would like to make these changes.
Have you ever turned down any offer because the concept which was pitched to you was regressive?
No, I haven't. I haven't. I've never got offered any offer, something like that. As I said before Tenali Rama, I was out of work, and after Tenali Rama, I've not been taking anything. So I haven't been offered. But I would like to, I would not accept anything regressive in life.
Rejections is something which everybody faces, obviously, be it actor or a non-actor. Any rejection which actually hit your mind and heart sometime.
Yes, yes. During those four years, I gave a lot of audition, and I went to for one audition in the morning. And after giving my audition in the afternoon, they said, "Oh, you were good, so please wait. We'll let you know by evening." So I kept on waiting. I kept on waiting for 6 hours. I was in the studio waiting to get a call. कि क्या हुआ क्या बता रहे हैं वो लोग. And after 6 hours at 10 o'clock in the night, they called me in and they said, "Sorry, आपका नहीं हुआ." That day I really broke down and I called a friend of mine that I think I'm not an actor and I should go back. And that was वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगा था and I had cried a lot that day कि shit what is happening with me and all that thing. So that is one incident I always remember because that was very hard hitting for me. But ऐसे
And
incidents और भी बहुत हुए हैं.
anytime you were demanded, you were rejected on the basis of looks, as you said that it's a visual medium and people just want some very good looking face, and they don't look for actors.
Right. I guess all those 4 years where I was not getting work was because of my look only. I'm not a very good looking person. I'm not a very great looking person. I'm just an actor. So they must be looking for somebody really great looking, handsome, much more good physique, wala banda and all that. So I guess yes, I have been rejected for that.
Lastly, in all this, what made you keep going?
The fact that I know that I'm not good for anything else and that I cannot do anything else in life other than acting. I mean, this is one thing I've been doing since the age of 4. I started at the age of 4 as an actor in my hometown with my dad in Akashvani and theater and all.
Okay.
So and since then I've been saying that मेरे को actor बनना है और मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है and I cannot do anything else. If भगवान ना करे अगर कभी acting नहीं चली तो I will get into direction, I will get into writing. I'm a writer too. I've written
Okay.
few shows. I'm writing my Gujarati film again and all. But acting is something which is my oxygen. I mean, it heals me. It heals me. It heals my pain, my trauma, my pathos, and everything. And it gives me a big moral and emotional boost in life. So that is one thing which will always keep me going.
Okay, Krishna. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was pleasure meeting you.
Same here. Thank you, Nikki. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.